ready? Spotters are ready? Refs are ready? In 3, 2, 1, begin. All right, blue team takes right to the columns. Red team is clearing the blue chamber. One column is cleared. 2 pillars are clear. 3 pillars are clear. Oh, we lost 1 pillar. 4 pillars are cleared. Only lost 1. Nice job. Blue chambers are almost clear. Blue team joins on the red chamber. Blue chambers are cleared. Center chamber is almost cleared. Now it's cleared. One of our obstacles has been moved. We are down. Red chambers are very close.
Get them all out first.
45 seconds remaining.
Just get them all out. It's not worth it.
All chambers are clear.
Just wait. There's 37 seconds. 35 seconds. The one in the middle. There you go. Get out of there, Jeremiah. Stop moving.
30 seconds remaining and the eclipse has begun. Red team completes the partial eclipse. Blue team completes the partial eclipse. Red team completes the full eclipse. Blue team completes the full eclipse. 10 seconds remaining.
Okay, cut it.